Welcome to this video on Product Owner Collaboration Strategies Beyond Agile Team. After watching this video, you will be able to list the best practices to perform the roles of a product owner effectively. You will also be able to explore how the product owner bridges the Agile team and the organization to align goals, enhance collaboration, and drive value delivery. Have you ever wondered how the product owner effectively collaborates with the marketing and Scrum team to ensure a product's success? The product owner acts as a bridge between the teams by aligning the product vision with marketing strategies and ensuring the Scrum team delivers features that meet customer needs through communication, planning, and feedback. When a product owner collaborates with the marketing team, they connect with the entire product-focused organization spanning product management, sales, research, and development or R&D, and customer support, ensuring seamless alignment across the product lifecycle. Let's explore how the product owner plays a vital role in connecting with product-focused organizations going beyond Agile ceremonies. They can use resources such as market research, product roadmaps, key performance indicators, or KPIs, objectives and key results, or OKRs, value propositions, customer feedback, and strategies. These inputs guide backlog prioritization and sprint planning while ensuring all stakeholders stay informed about goals and deliverables. Additionally, for effective collaboration, the product owner can leverage key artifacts and best practices such as annual targets, product roadmap, market research and insights, training and information sharing, and sprint demos. Let's explore each one. First, product owners need to gain insights into the annual targets that the organizations set through business plans, KPIs, OKRs, or similar objectives. These objectives may be shared company-wide or tailored for specific departments. Product owners need to understand these goals and then align the Agile team's features, backlog, and plans with organizational objectives. Next is the product roadmap. Product-focused organizations create a roadmap outlining timelines and requirements for future offerings. The product owner, even if not involved, must understand its link to the Agile team's work. A communication plan ensures alignment between the Scrum team and product-focused organizations. Additionally, product-focused organizations analyze customer needs, market trends, and competition. The product owner filters these insights to focus on relevant needs for the Scrum team's product. Additionally, they continue collaborating through communication channels to ensure mutual support and coordination. Next, the product owner needs to work with the Scrum team to train and share essential information with key product-focused organizations. This includes details on Agile processes, sprint goals, feature functionality, backlog prioritization, and any roadblocks encountered. Collaboration may extend to sales teams, market researchers, and product managers. The product owner ensures two-way communication, maintaining alignment and focus across all parties involved. Above all, the product owner should prioritize sprint demos. These serve as a crucial platform for showcasing new features to the stakeholders and gathering valuable feedback. The feedback helps refine planning and prioritization, ensuring alignment with organizational goals. Beyond sprint demos, the product owner plays a vital role in fostering collaboration with product-focused organizations. By promoting open communication, soliciting feedback, and building relationships, they create a strong bridge between the Scrum team and the broader organization. In this video, you learned that the product owner bridges teams by aligning the product vision with marketing strategies and ensuring the Scrum team delivers features that meet customer needs through communication, planning, and feedback. Product-focused organizations include teams across the product lifecycle, such as product management, sales, research and development, or R&D, and customer support. The product owners can use resources such as market research, product roadmaps, KPIs, OKRs, value propositions, customer feedback, and strategies to guide backlog prioritization and sprint planning while ensuring all stakeholders stay informed about goals and deliverables. Product owner can leverage key artifacts and best practices such as setting the annual targets, creating a project roadmap to outline timelines and requirements for future offering, conducting market research and insights to focus on relevant needs for the Scrum team's product, ensuring training and information sharing amongst all the parties involved, and finally, using sprint demos to showcase new features and gather valuable feedback from the stakeholders.